Hey, did you know that Inriver had AI built in that helps users to automatically categorize products in our PIM? This means less manual work and quicker handling when working with new products. Let me show you what this looks like. These are newly onboarded products. At this point, they do not have any category information, which means they cannot be fully organized and move correctly through the data current. Now we can harness the power of Inriver's AI to automatically categorize these products. We simply bulk select the fields we want to work with and start our Inspire AI to begin the process. Based on the information already available for each product, such as names and images, Inriver's AI analyzes the data to understand what each product is and where it belongs. Using this insight, it begins to automatically populate the appropriate categories, helping to structure the catalog with minimal manual input. It is important to note the AI is not inventing categories on its own. It works within the structure that already exists, choosing from a predefined list set up in the system. Every subcategory is linked to the one before it, so the AI follows the same rules and relationships that users have already defined. After the AI has completed its work, the user can simply review the suggested categories and confirm or edit them before saving. This ensures accuracy while keeping the process efficient. I hope this was helpful, and please send us a note or visit inriver.com for more information on this categorization assistance or how we further have embedded the latest AI innovations directly into our PIM to help you accelerate your product content without compromising control. Thank you for watching.